What is up, humanoids? I've got a really special one today with All-Star Weekend coming up not too far from now. We got a sick P-Rod we're going to take a look at. This is not from our stock. I'm not 100% sure of release date other than All-Star Weekend. And I'm not 100% sure on the price. I think it's $120. It will primarily be on the West Coast, but I do think some East Coast shops will get a little bit of love on this P-Rod. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Give you guys the first look on this thing. Let's see, here we go. Oh, all right, something. This is the wrong box. All right, guys. I'm not gonna edit that out. I just made a call. We're gonna leave that in, but this is the wrong box. Let's go ahead and get the right damn box open. Here you go. This, dude, they're both I don't know. Anyway, whatever. God damn it, I'm like shaking now. So here we go. This is, I think, the right box. Here we are. This is it. Yeah, this makes sense. There we go. This is it. This is your NikeSB P-Rod coming out for All-Star Weekend. Here you go. Let's go ahead and bust this thing open. This is your box. Here you go. You got your NikeSB sticker. I'm still shaking from opening the wrong box, or at least, you know, going through those motions. Deep breath. Are we? Yeah, we're still rolling over there. Holy cow. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead and pop these things out of here. This thing looks freaking amazing. Can't wait. We're going to dive into it right now. Boom. This is it. Your All-Star Weekend. Paul Rodriguez Habanero Red. I believe this thing is based on the 2011 jerseys from All-Star Weekend. So I'm pretty sure if you look that up, you'll see that. Maybe I'll post a picture right here. I'm going to post it right there. I'm going to post a picture. Maybe you can see what the jersey looks like. But it definitely has this like maroon hit on it. And the habanero red, gold hits on there as well. So it looks really, really sick. I love the contrast of this burgundy and this red. It looks pretty awesome. And then look how crispy the cuts are on that debossing. It looks really good. So super deep, nice, solid debossing on this shoe, which is cool. You got your Zoom Air heel bag showing through the heel like always. Whew. Yeah, I'm still shook. Whatever. All right, let's move on. Here you go. Turn and stitch toe cap. As you guys are familiar, that is a construction that just helps with durability when you're skating in a shoe. This kind of silk tongue looks really nice. You got your burgundy and gold on the tongue there. West Dubray down there looks pretty awesome as well. Here is a look at your heel panel with that gold embroidery. Again, you can see the debossing or embossing. I always mess it up, but I know you guys have yelled at me enough that this is debossed. Little pull tab right there. Your inside panels, boom, boom, boom. As I said before, we do not have our stock yet. So when we get that, I will know a little bit more about pricing and release information and all that sort of stuff. Might be different for East Coast and West Coast, but I know it is All-Star Weekend is when we will see these shoes drop. You also have 2 lace swap options on this thing. So you got this white oval lace and then the burgundy oval lace. My preference would be to leave the red lace in there. I think that looks really good. Dudes, yeah, here you go. This is your outsole herringbone tread. P-Rod branding right there. Little shank plate in the middle. Some Primo protection. And yeah, you know, P-Rod skate awesome. The P-Rod 1 is definitely, in my opinion, his best shoe. I know that there's people that are going to think otherwise. But yeah, let's just look at that debossing again. Look how nice that is. And this swoosh, that looks really cool. So looks pretty awesome. Got a cool feel, kind of like a gold rope chain, or honestly kind of like a jersey material. So kind of has a cool vibe to it. This thing looks amazing, feels amazing. you can see very nicely how nice and buttery that suede is when I rub across it. You can tell it's just a nice pig suede, or just a nice, super good skatable suede on this shoe. So I hope I covered everything. Like I said, this is an early pair. I just wanted to get it in front of your face. First look right here at Blue Tile Skate Shop. Follow Blue Tile SC or Blue Tile Charleston on Instagram, or I'm David Blue Tile. We will have more information as these things become closer to releasing. Like I said though, All-Star Weekend, I think they are 120 bucks. They're true to size. So these are actually 11s. I wear an 11 and a half, and they're just slightly snug on me, so I wish I did get my 11 and a half. So boom, these things are awesome. There you go. Anyway guys, we'll see you in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile. Right? Love Blue Tile. Was I looking you in the eyes when I said that? I think I just looked at the table. That was not nice. See you in the next one. Peace.